Greetings everybody, it's Mr. Hectic on your screen and we're back again with another episode and I'm here with and today we have a special guest of which it's Katie on the screens. Yes guys. Anyway, this is Stadile Sakuluma but it's not record. Ngathi sina camera ngathi sina cameraman ungasithi
Don't put the blame on me, my guy.
but it was recording. I had to double check it was recording. If you could 10 seconds I don't know, the wind just pressed. Moyo ingwele just pressed there, boy. Moyo the Lord is working mysteriously, boy. Tell boy. But it's sound in a speed point.
That's too much.
That's my concern. Why is speed point? Speed point is so great.
We're making plans. I'm getting in color cash. But have
you ever noticed that the Abadala, like the ones who are serving the church, gradually, like every time, they don't get anywhere in life, and then the ones who really don't, they just living lavish. I don't know if you noticed.
What?
Like, like Oko. I mean, I'm concerned about elders. Elders who come to church every time, and then there's no change in their situation. So someone who says like, actually, you know, all wrinkly and old and coming to church.
Every Sunday she's there.
And she never misses even the Tuesday prayers and stuff like that. She never misses my home cells and stuff like that. But she's the most poorest woman. And you have the ones who don't really care about church, and they make church out of content.
They living lavishly.
And they just, you know, progressing in life. That's my worry. Like, why?
Hi boy, bartender.
I'm so thirsty.
Skills. Bartender when I'm man. Like it. I don't play with me, but show my skills, boy.
Hey,
so see in page. That's almost every weekend.
I do. Oh yeah, we talk Yegi na.
Exactly my point.
Yegi na man nile.
Yegi la boy. No more. Wapera lunyaka lovo. Yegi ngembe.
Oh, I've actually want to start gymming
This month.
Yeah. This month, end of this month, I'm buying equipment.
That's a new resolution.
Yeah.
To get into gym.
Yeah, I'm not getting to gym, like exercise time. Getting fat. You don't see, I didn't have like chicks like this. Plus, I think what's stressing me also is like work. So that's why I just need to.
Work is stressing you.
Yeah.
How so? What do you do?
Work is stressing me. I'm a TA, teacher's assistant.
Oh.
It's a lot of things that I've done. Hey guys, what's that? Yeah.
Teacher's assistant.
Abashela ni crash.
I'm a lot.
Well, get crash food.
No, thank you so much. I got any crash food? That's right, Sabo. It's not a crash food, but it's a crash. No, it's a pre-primary. Thank you. It's a pre-primary. It's a pre-primary nursery. It's not a crash.
Yes, that's how I'm class.
Let's see if I can do it.
Salah, using your hand though.
Pero there's nothing I can do. I need to use your hands. I'm eating
What's charge now? What's charge
I need to. You should have asked for like something to pick.
She should have known now. I'm my eyes and stuff.
Do you think they even have like that thing?
They trying to act lavish, but I'm more of my tongue and my eyes.
Okay. What do I do in this situation?
Proper champagne, yabonakala.
Obame. Hey, but I drank a lot December. Ay, 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 ay. It was nice drinking and forgetting about your problems. If you're an adult, you're bound. It's like you programmed to have like thingy.
Essential.
Essentials. What I was. You see, I told you. These are the essentials I'm talking about.
I saw the quarter, bro. Someone did
Oh nah. Oh nah.
Ufakazeliwe mna kwathi uyarecord.
Hey, ibe recorder vele. Fikile umoya oyingcwele lapha, I'm sure. Athi press stop lapha. Angeke vele iziyekele nje out of the blue guy.
Just didn't mess up my hands. Didn't. I didn't. Right. Saying a show, good thing. I'm a teacher's assistant. It's a very nice job because you deal with kids. I'm mostly like into grade art. I love grade art. But
It doesn't give a you're toddlers, you.
I love children because it's nice.
So nje ayimela wena nje ukukhuza njalo like.
Yeah.
Yeah, kalonto. Yay.
I don't close it anymore. I just give them the stuff. Yeah,
Oh, Shangana stay subside. You got the scary stare.
Yes.
Oh, something's gonna say.
But not as in like.
Demonstrate.
No,
Take out the classes.
I just look at them, then they keep quiet.
But like,
that's when I know I've gained aura into school.
yeah, order on kids. Come on.
I know what's that.
Order on kids.
And now sometimes a big call people say, can you sort this child out? I'm like, yeah, that's what I want. Because now I'm gaining.
But like, I'm pretty sure you
experience.
first shout then you say, give them the stare. I need to shout. The best one has a stare like,
No,
yay.
I give them the stir, and then
It's
I'm
just a
like,
stare and you.
I do like this.
Oh nah.
Come here.
Oh no. Which was like sour, just got it. Nah.
Yeah, I'm like, come here. No man gets me. Like, yes, or something. Like, some people know what you're like. I got to like, bam, but you're just quiet. Wait, babe, what's alarm? People say that. Come be man, that's when I get pissed.
Hey, kids lie, boy. They lie.
I saw you doing that thing. Just tell me tell me the truth. I won't punish you. And then they say, but I didn't do it. I'm like, no man, they start apologizing first. I'm sorry, what did you do? No, but I'm sorry, what did you do?
So you do raise your voice after all, like.
Yeah, but
Hey, for sure, humble sweet, lapho kukhuzana nezingane njalo.
yeah, humble sweet, like, yeah, man, yeah.
I understand I'm out to stress work, you know.
It's a nice job for somebody ongena ngane. It's nice, I won't lie. It's a nice job if you get a ngane, you don't have responsibilities, you just want, you know, stuff like that. But if you have a child, your food is not the food ngane.
Is your mic on? Oh.
That's crazy. But if I would have to change professions, I'm definitely going to like thingy film. Yeah, like film. No, not me acting. Filming, writing, producing. Yeah. Be
Aren't
part
you
of
like
it.
a writer or something?
I am.
You still
yeah,
write?
I forgot about that.
Do you still write? So like, you took a break there.
I still do write. My last story actually. Let's keep planning. I was so lazy to write. I just did it for the
You've been lazy since.
I've got a job. Since I've got a job, it's been very hard, guys. Yo, guys, it's a bit drains the creativity. It sucks. But yeah, I'm getting paid, so I don't worry much. But the thingy, the stories are, they're growing, but they're not getting where I want them to go. But they're growing.
One day short guys.
Yeah.
Something like what?
Someone like are you looking at them?
Nah.
That's why your eyes so big.
Nah, don't worry. I'm looking at you. I'm looking at you talking.
There's nothing I can say about it. Get today. I just need someone on a higher level who's gonna understand where my dreams are going. And that's it. Will you?
Oh.
Girls, why you waving?
Oh
Sorry,
no.
sorry.
We are cool.
No, I saw you waving and I'm like, I don't want to turn, but let me just turn. But yeah, one day is one day. I'm giving myself a year this year.
When did you start like
Writing.
no not writing like the preschool?
In 17.
Yeah.
After I graduated with Uriami, that's when I started my training. And then,
Ella was saying graduate.
yes. Oh yeah. I forget a lot of things. I'm a graduate. It doesn't look like it. Doesn't feel like it. Once you graduate, it's like
Well,
you're
I mean,
programmed by
like
government. I don't know.
once you graduate, it's back to unemployment again. It's a cycle.
Yeah.
If you're not in school, you're unemployed. If you're in school, born.
Like, but I'm employed just straight after my thingy, my identity Uriami.
Wait.
Sensitive so I'll be in service. And then no, he wasn't teaching my game.
He wouldn't pass. Oh, this gun is cut off so quick. Complete
Yeah.
cutting gun.
I would test him a lot. So yeah, eThekwini ngenzile u-18 months wami ngaphuma ngayosebenza, but nakhona ukusebenza kwakhona, it wasn't like stable, it was like bambisa. And then I was like, umsebenzi yazi ukuthi umsebenzi in a workplace, if you've never worked before, it's so toxic.
It's toxic.
Workplaces are super toxic. Even if it's not toxic, you're gonna find a king. You're gonna find a problem, especially because in Sebenza in a place environment, you know, women, we are kind of the problem sometimes.
Not sometimes. You are the problem. So this sometimes. So this
No, like I'm saying, we are kind of the problem sometimes because you know I've worked with a lot of races, with women as well. All races are nice.
I miss also my cap.
All the damn time.
Yeah. Never mind.
So yeah, I've worked with lots of races, black, white, colored, you name it.
You've been around the block.
I've been around the races.
Yeah.
I prefer Indians.
Indians
I
are
love
better.
Indians.
Nah, that's
Or
not
maybe,
right.
or maybe it's
Oh yeah,
because-
it depends.
Or maybe it's because I've been around, but Indians they're good, they're very funny, I'm not gonna lie. And white people are also good, but obviously black people are always gonna be the top, you know, it's not like that.
Oh,
But-
yeah, okay, face.
yeah. But yeah, Indians, I would say that the race.
Like, what's your worst work experience?
My work experience at work. Wow, my work experience.
She's getting loud.
I don't really have. What is my work experience? My worst one. Not yet. It's the hard work that comes with it. But otherwise, so far, no. I've never had a worst experience. I've had the best ones and the good ones.
What's your best since you don't have the worst? What's
My
your
best. I had a friend I was working with. It's Itegwini. Like he made my life. She made my life. Actually, intimidating. She made it very, smooth. Even though I was dealing with some things.
She made sure you have like a great experience.
Because we're both starting out. So it was fun. We didn't take things seriously.
Awuthathi into serious emsebenzini wena. You don't take things seriously emsebenzini.
No, I don't. I'm sorry. I was telling a friend of mine last night. I'm not serious. I don't take work seriously at all. I do, obviously, for admin time for that, but 90%. I'm just me.
Just there for the payday.
You should see me on the you should see me.
Yeah.
I'm so nice. Last week I went there. And then it was since last week. Life was getting better for me. I was very positive about everything. Like even if the table looks okay, life is nice. Because when it hits, I was in the bathroom there. And so I was in the bathroom.
Oh no.
Like, I didn't have money. I was like, let me just check. I'm like, yeah. I looked at someone in the mirror. I'm like, yeah, boy.
Nah, I think I cash it.
You know. And what did I do? I think I ordered.
Same time, boy. Big baller.
The order.
Big baller.
The order, and then I had what did I have? I had pizza. Ordered gada. Life was good that day. Oh my goodness, it was great.
I bet on a payday, life is good as fuck.
Whoa. But the worst part is expenses now. You have to pay to distribute your money.
Oh, can't even come expenses. You have to pay rent,
my expenses are not really that bad. I save a lot. My expenses, okay, I contribute, transport, my essentials. It's not really much, but I do make it work. It's not much now, the payday stuff, but
it's good to take care of you, though.
Oh, I take care of myself very nicely. When it comes to I don't.
You eat a lot.
I just
eat a lot.
Someone's gonna take the drink. I don't know.
Not taking our time.
No.
Pull up and talk, bro. Yo. The only thing that's bambezel is the weather.
Yeah.
The weather.
Demand is gonna change.
That's when we can switch locations. But if we can switch location to inside. But now music is loud as fuck.
Inside.
Yeah.
You
say New Zealand, my boy. That's better eat.
I think it's because people coming in now. It's Saturday, so.
Since when you order not DJ though? Since when you order not DJ, they're trying to elevate. They're elevating their business. Yeah, attract ngayo indlela, boy.
But I don't understand a restaurant that has music. Like it writes it down the rate or something. How are you gonna hire? I don't like it. That was done with people.
Wait, so you don't?
Okay. Otherwise, I would have chosen a nice corner day.
But inside, the music is louder than here. Here it's better.
I know, saying yeah, sure. Like when I go to a restaurant, I don't. I don't.
You don't like people like that.
I love people, but I don't like them outside. They write it for me. They write it up. I get like I can public spaces.
Wait, so you don't mind socializing about just that?
That's it. I can socialize, but I have a limit. When I'm speaking, it's a socialize. I want to be quiet. Tolerance. About my son, when I say I'm walking I'm walking not. I'll just.
Now when nothing else.
Yeah. Abantu telling they just.
Exactly.
A friend of mine.
Yeah.
But yahamba nje mina wasefonini nganibona-ke with your friend and stuff, and I said hi, you didn't say hi back. I'm like, girl, shout my name next time. Meaning on the it's today. I don't look going up in Kalaza, imagine I see
I class now, boy. When I have headsets on, I'm from my AirPods. I don't hear you, boy, unless you call. Ibaba, wait. Otherwise, look zibach and continue with my way.
Because better do better than you Ethekwini.
Have you
It
been
was
marked
crazy.
Ethekwini? Have you been marked Ethekwini?
No. I've never
Lucky
been,
ass.
but I've been attempted to. Like,
Sinda kanjani?
After that, and Ben. Oh, I'm like sensing someone is following me. It's like saying that I had to like I'm walking.
They make sure, boy.
I'm like someone's following me. Gaham. I'm like, that's it. If you don't get into a store now, you're gonna get mad. Broad daylight, it's 10 foot.
Yo, boy, not exciting, boy.
And it's crazy.
And plus, all my love boy.
Bro, they mind their business, boy. I'm getting down.
Exactly.
That's what about the cruise I've been made like them.
Got inside the pharmacy. I'm like,
Ultra instincts, baba.
I'm not. And then I think, I'm like, no, the person is gone. Luckily, it was like 1 2 1 2 6 again. And then I was trying to get it back home. From then onwards, I'm going to get the same.
Which college were you at?
Central Tech. It's in town. It's like West Street.
Yeah, I see that one.
I hear the worst one.
Yeah, born I like a prayer tech yo.
My parents
I have a parent. I have a prayer. Feeling as a St. George, right? I was St. George.
Nakumbula St. George.
Oh yeah.
I would ask this one. Because wow. Hey,
I won't lie.
It was
St. George.
West Street.
Yeah,
Bangekho that bad khona wakuthulekile ngoba kusebenza isimo safe. Hey, basemaphara lapha kanqamula kwendawo oqhamula kuyona. Ubone kahle ukuthi yabona sebeyakunwebela nje. Otherwise,
yabona St. George Point iprayer. Awona maphara la.
not that bad though.
So is a point last time.
Yeah, that's a South Beach.
Airport, huh? Yeah, it's a point. I've never been there.
On South Beach. Point.
A point, yeah.
Nazi khona amazayiza nje.
Like a point hard.
Nakhona yabona point lapha ngase Coco's Bar.
Have you been to Coco's?
Isho kakhulu lapha. Awuzophuma uwedwa. Uyahamba. Just forget all your belongings, ma'am. Where? Gone, yonke.
Have you been to Coco's?
Nah, bro.
Have you?
What's that?
It's a bar. It's a club bar. I don't know.
You know, when I was in Durban, I did not go places. I was just school, home, school, home, school, home. Even my friends would convince me, I'm babe.
No.
Like, no. Going on. It was like,
Focus,
too long.
yes.
Part of it is like, I come from a strict family. And Zula. Now, man, it was a tough decision. Trust me. It was a tough one.
Tough decision.
I was like,
She's like, oh no.
I'm like, I tell her, go, just go. I was like, no, I don't want to go.
I mean, I won't lie. I was expecting you text it. Nah, guys, I won't make it. I won't make it.
I was anxious. I told my mom, I was like, no, Hamba. See people go.
See people touch grass.
My
Always
mom
indoor.
always convinced me. I'm a super introvert. It's even giving me money.
To go and enjoy
Like
yourself.
this is like a Saturday, Hamba, like it's when I remember. Hamba, come home. I'll be like, girl, no. I would rather order in, stay inside, get snacks. I'm that kind of person. I don't like going out.
Yeah, there are few like you. Yeah, ban. Always outside. Always outside.
I don't get it.
Friday, baba. Once that's
Friday. Friday, buzwa kubo boy. Bona
Monday,
nge-status.
Monday, man. Yeah,
Oh nah. Oh nah. Oh nah. Iyo mpilo. Kala ti Friday nje boy. Siphindanga sakubona.
But the people who do it weekend after weekend.
Bro, kuna bayenza
Yes.
like every weekend
I can't.
for the whole of
Weekend Thursday.
boy
Exactly.
pre-weekend. Pre-weekend. Yo.
But I wanted to try like Uki Club Beanie. I've been to Essentials December with my mom, my auntie, my uncle, my grandpa. Hey!
Nah, you didn't have fun there. You were just
No,
there with family.
I had. It was at night.
Nabazali, that's what I'm saying. Nabazali, that's not the same. How if
I
you
was on a cake, and then my mom ordered me. There's this thing with a jog, and it was like, oh dog. And what did she order? We had the same thing. She ordered me shots, tequila.
you got a cool mom, I won't lie.
W mom right there.
Yeah.
I won't lie, you got a cool mom,
I went
boy.
tequila. She ordered tequila. She was like, I would rather have Tumazane A than Tumazane A.
Yeah. Damn you, mom, I told you, boy.
So it's
Damn
like,
you, mom.
the way you are, stay like that. Don't change.
Don't just
Yeah, this, not that.
yeah.
So she really did. She maintained.
Yeah.
Even now, she bought. Not now, but December. We are knowing like stuff to drink, and I would drink in front of her. The only person who jump beside it's my grandpa, my grandma, and my uncle. You know those people. When
They're strict.
I have a dog, a kind like small one on a straw. Bakhona. Bese ngikhipha
yazi ngisazobuza ukuthi wena kahle kahle uyakwazi ufika uthenge utshwala then uyakufaka efrijini lakini
I can.
Oh,
damn
code 14.
damn
Hey, my whoa. Same.
Code 14.
yeah yeah
How?
what do you mean how you just buy and go
What about church?
What about you? What about you?
What about church?
What about you?
It's like, I always find, since you said you're a PK, well, no, like outside, like at all.
so bana ushawe i-guilt
You pray every night first.
What do you mean, dog?
Just forget it. Like, don't pray. You like pray every night, like crazy.
First, yeah. And when I wake up.
Let's say, let me give you a scenario. You're drunk. Something you went out with these ones, and you're drunk. Yeah, are you allowed to come back late?
he doesn't come back my son
How is he a PK's kid when he's doing this weird stuff?
Oh, boy. Not picking up.
No, but no, it's a concerned question.
Concerned.
Yeah, I would
What's so
expect.
concerning about that?
I would expect.
nah inkinga umfundisi akamzali umfundisi in most cases yabo
No, I
so
know,
like
I know. But
That's not the case, my father.
my problem is, I'm not in the public. I'm not for public. I'm not for opinions. But let's say we have booze here, ne? And there's somebody there from your church, and they see you.
uzathini uzathini it's my life
You're not gonna.
for ntoni
No, I'm just asking. They will shower in.
I think sasasifuna sonke leso stage.
yo bro khona umuntu osashawa big 2016 big 2026
Agcina nokushawa. What's nokushawa?
I don't remember.
yo
It was. I remember very well.
mawenzeni
It was when?
Last week.
No.
Street parade
It was
101 baba
for what? It was in grade 10. Sasika International.
mawenzeni
Hey, let me tell you a story, eh?
tell us
It was story time. I figured internationally it was nice. You know, the vibe was good. Then they introduced they had like I'm a dash. I get
full bash inside the school
Western International. Okay.
I'm an office word.
Sahamba internationally essay with Spirit.
Continue.
No.
I'm joking. It's just an intrusive thought. Come on. It's just an intrusive thought. Come on.
What an intrusive thought.
Come on. Sorry.
So, what happened was, yes, we were international with Spirit. Interpol, okay, summer space. And it was my first time. I was like, I want to start something to like, it was because I was so shy. I was getting so home. I was freaking out.
Shy space like that. Like.
No, I didn't like people and they were spirit. They were mad, packed, even from, I'm using it called. So, according to sis, she was in grade 12, I was in grade 10. She sold them a space. They were this tiny. But it did the job, hey?
Yo, for sure. It's a good
And
apple. They made sure, but
I had 100 rands. 100 rands. I had 10 rand each. And a lot. I banged the tail in a container, 8. I'm like, I'm like,
I want more. I want more. That's in Johnny's face. I'll use.
I was like, you see me with any difference? Like, they were like, no. I'm like, can I have another one?
Yeah.
2.
Yeah.
3. 4.
How many did you have?
5. 6. I had 7. So the 3
How high were you?
I couldn't sit down.
You couldn't sit down or stand up. You couldn't sit
I
down.
could stand up. I would go around the school. I would go around. And also, I couldn't sit down. Instead of watching my knees. I was like, I needed to stand up and just disappear. Yeah, guys, no way.
Yeah. Yo, imagine saving space.
Who can tell you the story? Ain't got me autistic. Man, I don't know if you know this guy, but that's when I met him in Phoenix with Liam from Raspberry. I met a lot of people that night. I was so confident. And I went to the toilet. I did my business on the floor.
On the floor?
But not like that one, that number 2, it's number 1. Yeah. And then I started shaking. I was like, shaking. My head was dizzy. The effects were off. I'm like, I can't even stand nicely. I can't know with a friend, from the age shape. Because I had a bash, I was wearing a crop top, jeans, sneakers.
Casual clothes.
Yeah. I had a small bag. Oh, I had a bag. You know Smanga? Smanga, come alive. Smanga. Right in my bag. You know Smang? You gotta know Smang. I asked him, like some sort of like bag, but what's it?
What do they call those bags? Fanny pack, yeah, fanny pack.
Yeah, why not? Usmanga, he's a boy, why, everywhere. So a guy, when they saw him, they saw it. It's like, Usmanga was a car to this club, and get a car, no boy. What shall you 1? What shall you 2? What shall you 3? My friend was actually one Saturday eat that 2 long Saturday. I was like literally holding him like this. Then Safiga, hello, a kai. Ubola, umunyumuzi, a kai. On shake 18. Hey, even today, I'm like, wow, you did things. I had my shoes. The dining room, someone cook.
I'll connect champions.
And then my mom was like, I'm like, oh my goodness.
I'm so high. Charlie.
Okay, I want to make an example here. So, I was chopping. This is the onion. The knife is supposed to cut through. Like a panda, right? Like this. I was doing like this.
Yeah.
What's on my kettle? Oh my god. I can't put the knife inside. I couldn't. And then Uma, that's where she saw what was okay. She's sensing trouble.
She's hot.
Alright, okay, fine. You have your gazer. You have your lad. Tongue washes it. I had a terrible headache. It's just so well, some colors. I didn't eat anything. I just had space muffins at that time. I was like, fuck. That's what it's saying. I'm sick. I feel like dying. I think, yeah, fuck. You know? And then the wash is it. And then you soon that's soon up in the coming in. Oh, it's not Bamu Koki Bim 17. Oh, ma, I don't know if my mom called my granny. To get there, I would have been like, oh, God, I feel sick. Come on, they went,
Yeah.
I'm like, yeah, I did it for what is it? And now let's send him book. I was like, I said, the book was around the house. I'm like, sure. Oh, getting ham. Okay, the boss. Okay, then the boss. So, he pants.
He pants as in fainted.
I fainted. Everything was blurry. Like, it was blurry.
Wait.
I couldn't see.
You're still high the morning after.
Huh?
The morning after you're still high.
The morning after, I was still very high.
Yes, I was about to ask Woodsie, how long did the highness last?
I don't know how long.
Because abanye balala bavuye bese bakhonyiwe bebhema insalo
Exactly.
You know who?
That thing is dangerous. I'm okay to move at 3 pants. My brother tried to wake me up.
So like go high for 2 days with.
I was staring him at like this. I think that only woke me up.
Why must he feeding me?
High for 2 days, oh nah.
The thing that only woke me up was my mom's slap on my face. It was, I was like, then my mom was
I'm
like,
sure Zangu is not empowered. It sounds like a massage.
I did feel some sting, but I was awake. Loco, automatic was at the hotel. Morgan, she was shouting all the way, and my grandpa was like, "Hey, anyway."
Yeah, born cool. What's now? Something is wrong, yeah. Shocked, cool. That's
check. He didn't even check like a lot of things. What's it? Then I'm like, no, my friend gave me something. No.
Hey, yeah.
I'm like,
Come
no.
on, come on, Mark, don't tell the boy. It's fine.
Some of my mom was right here.
Final mbuzo lo told to the hospital buzo uyaphem. There's no denying that. Yeah, you do smoke. So you class it
Exactly. So these things are very like I'm like, never ever. I kept on with my story. My alibi was solid. Exactly. You're not fit to like go home.
only for some space expected.
It was crazy, guys. I was supposed to let them never that week. Actually, it happened on Friday. Saturday, I went to the doctor's birthday. And Sunday, on Monday, I went to school. It was a crazy thing.
Wow.
Exactly. I feel total. I want to check out my cousin. It's total. I'm not a cousin of food. I'm thinking it was going to flash.
Detox.
And after that, supposing us better, I was okay. Bang, check everything, like everything. I okay, right. I put my results. I didn't think as a woman like
Corner something.
and stuff. As I would my 30 paper face comment. But I actually I'm a picture. I'm okay. Let's share to Sasa Sunday you thought I was saying what I'm calling you boy. I got to start on a ham. What you crazy? Angry sang. Uko woman in mean. Taking what to laugh. It had 16%
Marijuana.
of drugs inside my blood. And my mom was like
60%.
no 16.
Oh, 16.
It wasn't
Psycho.
it wasn't much. I tried to flash. I don't know if you flash take a flash. from what I had on Friday to what I had on Sunday, it was best. Hey, Uma gave me the tools and stuff like that. Yashin Pamukal, Yashin Sweet, that tool.
For sure, khona ne regime lapha kwisicathulo boy.
You know what? I had gone to pack the flappy.
Yeah, the flip flops.
And it doesn't really hurt. But for her sake, I had to feel like it was hurting. Exactly. I'm out the bathroom as yes. My granny tried to, the bathroom. And then then Sunday, one put the phone, took my phone for like the rest of the year. And cousin, I think
Yeah.
I'm on the bottom. At the time, I had level 5, 6, and 7. I was like, if I really, mind like a wedding college, I told everybody.
And I'm in cold. No, I'm a space. I'm gonna believe there.
So that was my last time.
That was the first time and last time.
My last time was.
Yeah.
Oh, but that's why it's quiet.
Yeah.
That's why you're quiet, isn't it?
Yeah.
What's the food?
That's why you're quiet, dog. It's not because you know your story.
I'm telling the Sako boy.
What happened?
Edible story.
I wish it went to take a life. Because probably mine was better. Yours is worse.
Yeah.
It was.
This is not that worse, but like.
It's not bad. Play back.
I mean, it's
Cool, that's cool. Going to the point of the soul.
what happened?
I coming. A whole life coming. I was like high for like 10 hours straight.
That's nice.
That's not nice.
That's nice. Being high for 10. I like those people who get high for 2 hours.
2 hours is light work.
Don't keep it.
Lapo, they were supposed to be recording, bro.
I learned this one.
Nah, record jam bro. Like the whole
Oh, you were
episode. He was supposed to be on the scene, like. But nigga, nah. He's laughing one way. He's laughing one
When
way.
you get your like over space up.
Use the plug.
Where do you get your? Where do you get the?
Dispensaries.
They go open up. You're like, eh. Oh, because Uncle Rami bought me a space cookies, my grandpa. But it was like, yeah, one thing, I'm space food, I'm space cookies because I wanted them. Guys, it's not I'm immune, but that's why I want something stronger. I want something strong, yeah. I want I know. No, I want like 2. Not 2, like 2 pens.
Wait, like Ulo one, did you feel the difference between like your normal self?
Space.
No, like being normal and being high. Like, did you feel high? Ulo one.
Nothing. I was like, nothing. The E learn. I want to focus on
That's the one, Ruben.
it was so sad.
Yeah.
As it was nothing. I did the matter. The shop price. I don't know if you know it.
Yeah, bon.
Yeah. I get it. So the corner it's not giving. I was like, I get it. Because I asked, which one is the
Strongest.
yeah, and then they gave me that one. I was like, I know stuff. This one is not it.
You want something strong when
I'm still gonna have a weekend where I wanna do a lot.
you wanna get high?
I wanna get to have I ever
You
gotten
can
like
count me in the highness part, not the drunkenness part. Chavo. Being high, we can get high.
Stuck with the set. I'm damn stuck with the set. Like you put it all the set.
This year, nyo siqeda kuqala lo this year.
Yeah, but January. Before ngibona bese ngibuyile emsebenzini. Ngakusasa kumele.
Bosubuyelile emsebenzini.
Yes.
Let's ngane sekunikeza stress yazi. You can't deal with them.
No, it was my auntie, Auntie Matala. So we had to like enjoy. Senza, Puza, Uncle you weave. Yo, the thing is, I don't know how I'm going to weave, how they do it.
Nah, we are cooked, right? Cooked. See dumb guy. See dumb guy. How many minutes is it? Hey, how much is it?
It hasn't get you know, Mozambique.
47.
I thought they're just artists coming there to sing. I didn't see Jesus there.
Yeah, now with Jesus love.
This is probably a sign for all of us to go to church. Except for you, because you're already.
Oh nah, bro. Last time I saw him in Alliance, bro. That's why.
That's not nice.
You need help. You need help.
I connected God.
Busa ngamanzi. Hayibo.
Phuma Satan. Phuma Satan. Yeah.
Amasonto laqala ngo9 uphuma ngo1 ngoba
Ay, eliphelelo sonto.
masonto khona amasonto lawa.
Phela la we get in between. You get to like go home and rest and come
Some
back.
don't even eat.
From 9 to 10.
Shy hours it is put together.
Phela elizibelekela from 9, 10, 11, 12 about 2 hours, 3 hours. But you know the part that actually gets me is that you know it's got to kuma less. But open the city.
Ah, like umfundisi ashumayele.
Ashumayela. Cool. I bet you that's where it gets the spirit. Like,
Bona vuka moya ke ngoqale phansi abona. Yeah, mfundisi.
and then my favorite part is when they say, but he's still in the prayer. You know, I didn't have big stuff like that. But when I was about 10, I mean, I'm long gone. So some big Amen.
Amen. Amen.
Where is your church like? God, there's me to go in the I'm sure God gives me some scenarios and you're going to tell the
Awubuza kangani yena nathi asilazi nje. We don't know where it is.
Oh. And you?
What about me?
Who do you live with here?
The whole family. Mom, dad, siblings.
So that we are Kuluma.
Yeah.
Guys, is it me or somebody just spat on me?
Maybe it's the rain. Yeah, we might be cooked.
Mama, I will put the umbrella in
Should we close it now? Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, I think I saw you. Shall I watch us? You go this side, that's your star.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I saw you one. Yeah.
What do you say?
Right here. Imagine.
Oh, that's so nice, hey? How does it feel to stay near the Roma?
Kopoli.
That's nice. You stay far. You stay very far.
Should we close it or? Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. We'll be back again in another episode next week.
Is it okay if I do this? I just want to do this.
Hey, Mao, tell the viewers about your YouTube page. What's about your
Oh yeah. Hey, you see a
Promo.
You see a purple one.
Promo.
Okay, guys, I have a YouTube channel. I recently started it last year. Actually, I had like the YouTube thingy 2022, but I recently posted last year with the intro. I'm doing vlogs. I'm doing everything. You're gonna find it on YouTube. I have it on my Instagram as well, my bio. which is I've changed my Instagram name. It's Maketi. If you find it, Maketi, or it's your girl or whatever.
I
or
Maketi.
love you.
Maketi.
Maketi, Makethy. Maketi. Yeah, you're just gonna see a girl with grills. That's me. So yeah. Bye.
Ciao.
Guys, what an awesome experience.